Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to check my purchase power on Klarna Australia. You launch the app and then if you come to your profile here, you'll see if you click on purchase power, usually it's unavailable, right? So you can just close this and what you do, you choose any shop, okay? And then once you choose your shop, you choose how to pay, right? Click on create digital card and you'll be setting your budget. So just enter any budget, let's say $2,000, hit continue, and this is what will happen, okay? They'll tell you your actual amount, your actual limit. So it's $1,000. So you can go ahead and close this, do it again with $1,000. So that's how you check your purchase power, your limits basically. Usually there's no predefined spending limit while using Klarna, but every time there's a new automated approval decision about how much you can spend, it's made each time you basically pay with Klarna, okay? If you found this video helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to App Mentor.